It's other than TV, man.
Here in Samburu, and everyone is out looking for our pregnant female Himalaya.
Dude!
What, man?
I got an idea, man!
What is it, man?
Let's go catch a movie! Awesome idea, man! Alright, let's go, man!
That means we're going to see a one-day-old baby.
Yeah, extreme! Go long, dude! Get it! Yeah, I caught it, dude!